Welcome back to another adventure. It's been a while since our last outing due to the massive wildfire and evacuations. We really didn't want to stray too far from home. I mentioned before, it takes us about 5 hours to reach some kind of civilization, and this trip will be another 7 hours on top of that to get to a trail. But now we're ready to get back out there and explore.
Where are we going now?
I have no idea. We're following a little white trailer. Something about ghost towns or gold rush towns or something.
Fire danger extreme.
We're tagging along today with Steve and Corrine in their Gladiator on 37s with a really cool overland trailer.
She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain. She'll be coming around the mountain. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be riding 6 white horses when she comes. I hope I know the words because it's been a long time. Look, that looks like Sasquatch. What am I looking at? I need my eyes checked. Sasquatch in the mountains.
After about 12 hours, we had entered into BC and were heading down dirt roads to where we planned to camp for the first night. Along the way, Steve told us to stop at this bridge because there was a really cool gorge underneath it. That might be the spot. We set up camp on the edge of a lake this evening, and Corrine, the self-proclaimed pyromaniac, started a fire. Having this lake backed by the majestic mountains as your initial view was awe-inspiring. But little did we know the best was yet to come. The sunset was amazing, casting golden hues across the lake's surface to the shore. The last rays of sunlight created a silhouette of the mountain range, their outlines sharp and striking against the vivid sky. A serene hush filled the air, as if nature itself was pausing to admire the breathtaking view. In the morning, an eerie mountain image seemed to look down on us as we packed. Was this the Sasquatch Barb thought she saw the day before? Packed again, we hit the road for about a 7-hour drive to our next destination.
Do I like this road?
Yeah, do you like this road?
It's very, very windy.
This would be awesome on a motorbike.
Huh? It's 32 degrees out.
Oh yeah.
I look like something that just got put through the ringer of the washing machine. And then you forgot to put me in the dryer.
And there Barb goes, getting bored again.
Lemon, a branch, and a branch, and the tree, and the tree, and the hole, the bog, and the bog down in the valley, yo. Oh, the rattling bog.
If you never heard a Newfie talk, listen fast, or you may not catch the words.
And in the nest there was a bird, a rare bird, a rattling bird, bird, a nest, and a lemon, a branch, and a branch, and a tree, and the hole, the bog, and the bog down in the valley, yo. Oh, the rattling bog down in the valley, yo.
You're not gonna get fuel?
I don't need fuel. Fuel's overrated. It's a very windy road.
Yes. This is a fun road.
Why is it fun?
Because it's twisty and up and down. You're not just slapping it straight down a highway. We ended up arriving at the next campsite around supper time. But not wanting to share our food with these two guys, we headed down the road for another spot. We set up camp and grabbed a quick supper. I was excited to go see Barkerville, a historic restoration of this gold mining town. Barkerville was named after Billy Barker, who first found gold here in 1862. In total, he took 32,500 ounces from this claim. At today's rate, that'd be $82.5 million. By the mid-60s, the town had grown to an estimated 5,000 people. It's been well researched and looks much like it would have 100 years ago.
You're probably going to be in here a while confessing all your sins, hey?
You didn't catch fire.
What?
You went into church and didn't catch fire.
Horses are said to be great judges of character. This doesn't bode well for Steve.
Can I pat you?
It was extremely interesting seeing their dwelling and how they would have lived back in the 1800s. Yeah, like this whole bank, they use that machine up there to pump water.
Which machine?
The big wheel.
Okay, yeah. That big wheel.
Like that was an aqueduct that brought the stream down onto the wheel, and the wheel spun and pumped water that they sprayed up there and washed it down. And then there's I've got a picture of the sluiceway.
Okay, cool.
It's pretty neat.
Yeah. I mean, they used to carry the oil in that.
Yeah.
That's what the sign said.
You see that old engine? It had doors on the side.
Do not enter as per my other than in this. She's not even gonna move. What is that?
Partridge. Want some partridge for supper? Having finished up with Barkerville, it was time to explore a little on our own. A lot of the trails we wanted to try here were closed due to mining, but we did manage to find one to check out.
There's an old bridge down there on the left.
Oh.
See it?
No. What? What am I looking
An
at?
old bridge. Right down there.
No. You mean that rock?
Yeah.
You're calling that a bridge?
Well, that would have been a bridge at one time.
Okay.
Because I noticed that road.
Yeah.
And the road goes across, and it's going to come out right here.
Okay.
I find it amazing how many vehicles and machines are just left out to rot. Old cars like you'll never see again.
Oh, an old car. Okay. I'm gonna get out and get a picture of the old car.
This drops off insanely quick. Like it's steep enough that all I see is trees. I can't see any of the ground.
Wow. I'll see it, I guess, on the way back.
You might not want to look.
I might not.
The pressures, and they're bigger, so they don't hit all the little bumps that the smaller tires do.
Okay, well, we need bigger tires.
Yeah!
It is like a shelf road, though, hey?
Yep.
Yeah, we're slowly climbing up and up and up.
Yeah, not even slow. We're going up pretty quick.
Whoa.
Is your camera ready, Barb? It's a real slow, Tim. See him on the road?
Yep.
I didn't see the cabin yet.
But I'll email money transfer if you go sit on that toilet. Excellent.
Like, what, unopened?
Yeah. In the bag?
Oh, wow.
Did you go in first?
No, Steve did. It was open already. Just I was reading signs and that stuff. But yeah, in the bag there's an open Chef Boyardee. Some other stuff.
Yep, she needs pictures.
If I have them in the picture.
Look at him. Ravaged.
Follow that bear. making so much reflection.
No! Don't be an idiot.
Okay.
He can be on you before you know it. Anyway, that's probably enough video of him anyway, right? Yes?
Bye, buddy.
Yeah, that's not good.
That is not good at all.
Put your window down.
See any activity out there?
On our return from exploring, we noticed the first big fire. No smoke was visible in the morning, but this one was huge already. As we continued on our way to the campsite, 3 more fires showed up on the horizon. Go to. Also, looking online, our planned route to explore more old mine sites in the area had 6 more fires burning along it. We decided to call it a wrap for this area and move on to another venue to explore.
The lightning last night, it's just taken a while for them to get big enough to be this visible, because they weren't visible this morning.
No? Looks like the one ahead of us is probably pretty big also. Unfortunately, the town of Wells in Barkerville Historical Town has been under an evacuation order due to these fires' proximity at the time of this posting. I sure hope all remains well in the area.
He liked a rag that smelled like grease.
Yeah.
Oh, he likes coconut cluster.
Hey, that's my coconut cluster. Quit it.
No, it's his now.
Like and subscribe if you're finding this trip interesting. And stay tuned, because part 2 is coming up.
Now he'll be coming around at night while we're sleeping. He'll be knocking shit over. He'll be gnawing on your chair.
Yeah.
Pick my phone up.